So what we're going to do is we're going to play whole notes in the right hand, whole note, hold it, whole note, hold it, and in the left hand, we're going to go back to that big beat sheet that we visited in the first level of this skills and drills. So we're going to go quarter, half note, eighth note, quarter, rest. And guess who's doing it? The left hand. So if I put those two suckers together, I'm going to do the first C major slowly out of time just so you can really see what I'm doing. Right hand plays whole notes. Half note. That's the C major only. Right hand, whole notes. Left hand, big beat sheet. It's got a cool rhythm in the left hand.